What is an order? So, you're ready to place your first trade. That's great. But how exactly do you do it? You need a way to convey all the information about your trade so that it can be executed on the market. In Forex trading, this is known as placing an order. So, what order types are there? There are various types available, but some of the most popular are market orders and pending orders. A market order is the most common. If you want to open or close a trade immediately, you can use a market order. Once placed, your order will execute automatically at the best price available to you. A pending order, meanwhile, will only execute if certain conditions you set are met. Some of the most common types of pending order include limit orders and stop orders. A sell limit order sells a currency pair at a set price or higher, whereas a buy limit order buys it at a set price or lower. In both cases, your order will be executed at the requested price or better. You'd use a limit order if you thought a currency pair was likely to reverse after hitting the price you set. If the price you set is never reached, your trade will not be executed. This is where order duration comes in. You can keep your order open until you cancel it, known as good till canceled, or until a certain date, known as good till date. And what about stop orders? Stop orders, also known as stop-loss orders, are often used to manage risk when trading. A buy stop order triggers a buy market order for a currency pair when the market reaches a set price. A sell stop order triggers a sell market order for a currency pair when the market reaches a set price. Stop orders execute at the prevailing market price once triggered. This means you may experience slippage in your favor or against you. To learn more about Forex, visit trading.com.